Humans.
Humans?
Where? No! Lucy!
No, they're no humans.
They're long gone.
Vanished.
Definitely extinct.
They only exist in stories.
Excuse
Oh, charming.
It's been lovely, but I got a hoon. Adios, amigos. Check, please.
Oh, Father, do you think it's possible? Could humans still exist?
Now, Krista. Don't you think you're a little old to believe in human tales?
Human tails? Humans don't have tails. They have big, big bottoms that they wear with bad shorts. They walk around going, "Hi, Helen!"
Did you really see humans? Were they at Mount Warning?
Oh, Mathis a Homo sapiens. Hey! Where are you going? Yeah, this territory looks kind of familiar. Fabulous day in the canopy, isn't it? Oh, where do you think you're going?
Mount Warning?
I know I am. I know I am. Hey! You scared me there for a minute. I thought you said you were going to Mount Warning.
Well, I did.
But they're humans on Mount Warning!
Exactly.
Fractured figs, fairy bug, come on! Mount Warning is the last place in the world a little bug like you wants to go. Look at these! You think nature did this? Do you think I put this in to get better reception? No! Humans did this. We should stay here. It's nice here. Come on, you got a great set of wings. Let's just flutter for a while.
Batty? Well, come on.
My heart! Oh, my heart! I can't go on. Help me, my little wings can't make it.
Maybe you should wait here for me.
This is a fabulous idea. I really think we should fly with that. Only, why don't you stay here with me?
It's okay, really. I'll be right back.
Why do I not believe you?